Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemon toffee at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need fresh lemons for zest and juice, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, and light corn syrup. Don't forget a reliable candy thermometer and a sturdy saucepan. Preparing your baking sheet with parchment paper beforehand will make the cooling process smooth and easy. Now let's get cooking. In your heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the sugar, butter, corn syrup, and fresh lemon juice. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it cook. Watch your candy thermometer closely. We're aiming for exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation, just like fresh lemon zest brightens up our toffee, a fresh scent can brighten your car. Life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's black ice. You can find the link in the description below, along with other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your toffee reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat immediately. This is the perfect moment to stir in your fresh lemon zest, infusing that bright citrus flavor. Work quickly but carefully. Pour the hot toffee onto your parchment-lined baking sheet. Use an offset spatula to spread it into a thin, even layer before it begins to set. Patience is key for this next step. Let your beautiful lemon toffee cool completely at room temperature. This can take about 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your kitchen's temperature. Once it's fully firm and brittle, you can easily break it into delightful, irregular, bite-sized pieces. Store your homemade lemon toffee in an airtight container to keep it fresh and crunchy for days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.